What is up, y'all? This is Alex from Alex PC Tech again, back at you with another video. And on today's video, I hope you are safe, I hope you are fine. But today, we are going to be taking a look and do a review of the ASUS TUF H1 wireless gaming headset. Yeah. Once you pull it out of the box, is this really their budget gaming line? Yes, the TUF is, while being budget, is marketed as some of the most durable parts out there. Okay, all right, so as per the box, the manual is on this side. So we have the wireless gaming manual and of course a warranty card. So let's set those aside. And as per this one, okay, as per the packaging, it's not that like a wow compared to the other Delta series. Oops. So inside the box is, before we proceed with the headset, we have a USB-C to USB wire. I'm guessing that is for the charging. And of course, you will have the you will have the dongle. So this is where the dongle is. Let's set this aside. This is the one that's in the box, or this is a USB-C dongle, and another one I guess will be a okay, so good thing since USB-C is becoming the norm, they also provided a USB receiver. Okay, so that's nice. Since I'm using PC probably, and my board doesn't have, if your board like mine doesn't have a USB-C, then you have the option to have a separate, let's open it up, USB adapter. Yes. So in case you are like me who doesn't have a spare USB-C dock in order for the connectors to be connected to your device, then you have two options. You have this one or USB-C. Really cool, right? Next, let's proceed with the headset. Okay. All right. So it has the foam. Let's set that aside and let's set these aside and let's see how this one is. All right, TUF gaming. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's nice. This is like a rubber padded plastic material. It's like a composite material. So we'll check this out while gaming, how it fits on our head, but I'm guessing that this will fit nicely, as see the flexibility, it's really nice. And I don't know if you can adjust the height. No, can you adjust? No. So this is the exact height of it? No, I'm not sure. It's, to be honest, it's not that light. To be honest, it's not that light, but it's fine. The controls of this wireless headphone can be found on the lower right side of the headset, starting with the on and off of the microphone like a mute button, and below that is a rocker switch to control the volume, positive, minus, and a power switch on the bottom. Next to that would be the status of the microphone. So if you want to turn it on, it would be blue. And next to that would be the USB-C charging port. This headset features a 2.4 GHz connection, 7.1 surround with deep bass, a Discord and TeamSpeak certified microphone, and a comfortable design. Mind you, this is a noise cancelling microphone, and here is the sound.
Now, what I like about this is that it is very comfortable and you wouldn't have any problems using this for long periods of time. For lightweight gaming, I was able to use this for 3 days until I had to charge. It is very comfortable and the fabric strap suspension really helps in terms of its fitting. although the leather cushion can get a little bit hot at times. Also, the build quality is really good considering that this has the tough moniker indicated. The headset is made of high quality plastic and doesn't feel cheap but is not heavy.
The virtual surround sound enables you to listen to footsteps, and that is actually really valuable when playing FPS games. This is also compatible on different devices such as Apple, PlayStation 4, 5, and Nintendo Switch. I also used this for my mobile, considering that you just need to plug the USB-C adapter with it. So speaking of the sound, comparing this one to my Audio-Technica MX30, by the way, these two are almost identical when it comes to weight. So this is really lightweight considering that it is a wireless headset. Now, speaking of the sound, yes, this do have a more pronounced bass, although the bass of this one is not like the ones that are tight comparing to the Beats headsets or earphones that you can check out in the market. So this is not like those tight bass. It has a more pronounced bass but more of a wide or a big bass, as you can see. Now, ASUS is saying that this has airtight chambers. Okay, so although this is not a noise cancelling headphone, it has these airtight chambers that really does the job well in terms of making the sound clearer. Now, what I don't like about this headset, let's go to the things that I don't like is, one is it only comes with one color. Well, considering that this is the baseline model of the H1 of the wireless TUF headset models, probably that's acceptable, but it only comes in one color and you cannot adjust the height of the headset, okay? So luckily for me, it fits very snug. It fits very well, as you can see. But probably if you have a bigger or longer head, then this might be a problem to you. This is like a one-size-fits-all scenario, okay? As you can see, there's a suspension there, a garter suspension. And yeah, I wish that they could have included the adjustments on the side for the height, like this one that I have here. So this one has the adjustment on the side, so you can further customize it. But considering that it doesn't have that adjustment, this one, the ASUS H1, doesn't have that adjustment. The TUF H1 doesn't have that adjustment. It still sits comfortably well and snug to my head. Thank you for sticking with us until the end, and here is our conclusion. This is a no-frills gaming headset that is designed with gamers in mind. With the portability and the functionality that it offers, this is actually a nice grab if you are having a budget or if you have a budget, and also it is really well made. That's one thing that I really like about the TUF series. They are well made and they are solid, and I wouldn't have any problems recommending this to anyone who is looking for a viable option for a wireless headphone. Having said that, please do like if you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet, as we recently hit the 1,000 subscriber mark. So thank you very much for that, guys. And yeah, I hope you like this review and see you on the next video.